creative audience, exchanging greeting cards is a pleasure, but if received in a form of a journal, makes the memories everlasting. Here is a new and easy technique of compiling a bullet journal as a greeting card. Take about 200 sheets of A4 size paper, pick out one sheet and fold it into half. Draw the margin on the crease. Draw 1 cm margin again on both the sides. Keep the margin sheet on the pile of papers and staple the side margins using a heavy-duty stapler. Now cut off from the center and divide it into 2 books. Join these 2 books to make one thick book of about 400 sheets. Use a duct tape to fix the side. We get 1 inch thick, 7 inch wide and 9 inch long diary. So we'll need 9 inch broad and 26 inch long chart paper. Draw 2 inch margin on either sides of the chart paper. Fold these margins. Glue 2/3 of the chart on the left side. Place the book in the center. Now glue and fix the folded margin. Do the same with the folded margin on the right side as well. Let's prepare the waistcoat out of 2 A4 size embossed colored sheet. I used a lighter shade for demo, which I shall switch on to the brighter shade later on. Join the 2 sheets as done. The width is equal to the length of the diary, that is 9 inch, and the length is 23 inches. Draw 3 inch margin on both the sides. Fold the margins. And glue it now. Turn it. Mark at 4 inches vertically from the bottom and 2 inches horizontally from top. Fold the triangles for the collar. Turn it again. Mark the center of the sheet by folding it. Mark the center on the diary as well. Place the diary on the colored sheet, keeping both the markings together. Draw the margin on the sides for correct placement. Now glue the ruled area and paste the diary on it. I shall continue the making of the journal using the actual brighter shade that I had mentioned earlier. Glue the sides as well. Draw the margins on the border of the inner cover. Measure the length and breadth of the inner frame and take a PVC transparent sheet equal to the above measurement. Glue 3 sides and paste it on the border. Use a designer scissor to cut and prepare the frame. Fix the frame and decorate it as per your wish. Insert a photo or a greeting card inside the frame. Let's do the graphics on the outer cover. Glue and fix the buttons on the coat. Here you go! Surprise your loved ones by gifting them this useful and creative journal. Surely this will bring a huge smile to their face. Do keep connected to my food channel as well by subscribing it right now. Zeb is up with tons of delicious recipes and much more to come. I shall return with another creative idea very soon. Till then, keep crafting. Bye-bye.